Hi, my name is Jennifer, and I want to introduce y'all to a favorite pastime of mine, hummingbirds. Um, I know nobody dislikes hummingbirds. There's a pretty simple thing to do. Um, you can get these feeders at any discount store. I recommend buying them around now because they're on clearance. Everybody's got them on sale. There's some important things to remember about having hummingbirds as guests. You don't want your feeder to get mildewed, or some of the sugary substance will cause the hose to stop up. So here's how I clean it. Of course, you'll be in the sink, but take a pipe cleaner first and go through the hose and get the debris and the stickiness out of there, because worst case scenario, you let it build up, you have ants, bees, and also I have had a small hummingbird get stuck on here, and that's very sad. So you take a toothbrush then after you get the hose and go through and get everything around here. You take a bottle brush and you get up in the crevices real good. Be sure and do around the threads because the sticky stuff will get everywhere. After you get through cleaning it, rinse it off with hot water. Try not to use any chemicals because of course that would not be hummingbird friendly. After you get it cleaned well, you can buy the fluid that goes in there, the nectar, from the store, but an economical way that works just as well is take hot water, take your sugar. It's about a 4-to-1 mixture. You take it and shake your mixture, dissolve, try not to make a mess, but dissolve your water. Then you pour it into a larger container after you've dissolved the sugar well. You want to dissolve it pretty good because you don't want to have to clean up the mess later after you have to refill your hummingbird feeder. And I suggest that you do this 2 or 3 times a week. Like I said, if it gets sticky, you have ant problems and things like that. So it's best to try to keep it clean. Fill this. Screw your top back on. And like I said, they come in very many varieties of the feeders. You have the little pouches and different things. A lot of people say to remove your feeders at the end of the season, but you always have stragglers you can hang on to at the end, and they also need fed. They're just hanging around a little bit later. It's a very enjoyable, relaxing thing. I don't know anyone that doesn't enjoy sitting on the porch and watching the hummingbirds. Thank you for sharing with me my little hobby here, and I appreciate you dropping in. Bye.